In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 FPS drops. So first thing, open Steam, then close here, go to library. Now I will show this for example for this game. Follow the same steps for Dota 2. Right click on Dota 2 and then properties. Then where it says launch options, you want to type dash vid, then dash console, and then dash dx11. So once you write this down, you can go here to installed files, then click verify integrity of game files. Now once you do this, you want to close this down, and then you want to go here and type run, type %temp%. Delete all of these folders, so select all of them and then delete. Then go to this PC, C drive, and then Windows, and then go to prefetch. So you should see a folder called prefetch. Then select all of these and then delete them. So after you delete these, all you have to do is restart the game, restart the PC, and this should fix the issue.